Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do this very festive holiday look. So it is Christmas season and there's a lot of parties going on, family gatherings, friends and everything. So I thought I'll do a little glammed up look for you guys. Not a little, it's pretty glammed up. And I achieved this eye look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. You guys, this palette is so beautiful. I love glitter and this is all glitter. Glitter, and this is all glitter. Look at how shiny and beautiful this is. And yeah, this is not a sponsored video at all. I just really do like this palette. Whoops, I just lost the brush, but this is how it looks, you guys. It's so pretty and all these like shiny colors are crazy smooth and they go on so pigmented. You can see in my video when I'm applying it on my eyelids, I don't use that much. I just pick up a little with my brush and I apply it. It goes on perfectly and it's so pigmented. So if you guys want to give this palette a try, go for it. I do love it. I'm thinking about doing another look using the same palette. I'll be using different colors from the palette, but I'll be using the same palette. So hopefully keep an eye out for that next week. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, stay tuned.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no, no. En busca de un amor que se perdió. Si quieres la verdad, ven y búscame y me llevas. No te desesperes, no más. ¿Quieres tú lo que quiero yo? Tú todo me lo traes. Como yo te pido me lo traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor. Todo me lo traes, algo yo te pido me lo traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor.
stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden road, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. Too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
So this is the final look for today, and if you guys have any questions, please comment down below, or you can inbox me in my Instagram, Twitter, whatever works for you. I'll try to reach back to you guys. Also turn on that little bell icon so you can be notified every time I post something. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Happy holidays. Love you guys. Bye.